Hello dear viewers, hope you are well. Welcome to my channel Health is Beauty. Today I will show mutton nehari. It is very difficult to teach the recipe for nehari. But from today there will be this recipe of nehari in my channel which can never fail. Nehari comes from the Urdu word nihar. Nihar, which means morning in Urdu. Nehari is such a perfect, nourishing, warm and rich dish that you go through the day's work on with a hearty breakfast of nehari. Let's see the ingredients and preparation of nehari spices. For making nehari spices, 1.5 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon black cumin seeds, half teaspoon cloves, 1 piece of mace, 1 small piece of nutmeg, 3 small pieces of cinnamon sticks, 6 green cardamoms, 2 star anise, take a grinder, place 1.5 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon black cumin seeds, half teaspoon cloves, 1 piece of mace, 1 small piece of nutmeg, 3 small pieces of cinnamon sticks, green cardamoms 6 pieces, 2 star anise. Now grind it. See the texture of nehari spices. My nehari spice is ready. Let's see the ingredients and preparation of nehari. Usually people believe that the nehari is cooked only with shanks, and that is the biggest misconception, because nehari can be made from any cut of meat that lends itself to slow cooking.
1.5 kg mutton. I have cut the mutton in medium size, not so big, not so small.
Half cup mustard oil, 1 tablespoon garlic juice, 2 bay leaves, 6 cloves, 2 black cardamom, 2 cups sliced onion,
Salt 3 teaspoon or as required. 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste,
1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder,
2 tablespoon wheat flour, 2 tablespoon homemade nehari spice, Add mustard oil in a pot.
The flavor of an authentic nihari lies in the mustard oil and not ghee.
Let it smoke, then sprinkle garlic juice.
First, I grated the garlic. After grating, I extracted its juice, and I am going to sprinkle garlic juice on the mustard oil because now the mustard oil is seasoned.
Sprinkle garlic juice.
Add bay leaves, black cardamom, cloves. Stir it for 1 minute. Add onion.
Now fry it for 2 minutes.
Add mutton.
I am adding 3 teaspoons salt. Add garlic and ginger paste. Now mix everything well.
The sauteing of onions along with the meat, this step is very important. Cover and let it cook slowly. In the meantime, I will make yogurt mixture. Time to add spices. In the yogurt, add red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, two tablespoons Kashmiri red chili powder. The role of chili powder is basically to enhance the color.
Now mix well. It is my homemade yogurt. You will get the link of the recipe in my description box. Yogurt with spices mixture is ready. Now add yogurt with spices mixture with the mutton. Add 2 liter water or as required.
And don't be stingy while adding water because the hallmark of nihari is that it is a kind of stew.
Now mix well.
Cover and let it cook slowly.
Now cover it and cook it until the mutton is completely cooked.
If you are pressed for time, then take it off at this stage and put in pressure cooker. I have a lot of time to let it cook slowly on a gentle low flame.
Add water with wheat flour.
Now mix well.
wheat flour mixture is ready.
Take whole wheat flour. Do never use gram flour to nehari. Wheat flour is added as a thickener to nehari.
Final ingredients: 1 tablespoon nehari spices, half cup ghee, 1 and half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. See, mutton is completely cooked. Stir wheat flour mixture. Then add to the mutton. Now mix well.
We have to bring it to a boil with this broth. Add ghee in a pan.
Nehari spice.
Kashmiri red chili powder.
Now mix well. Now add these spices with nehari.
This is the heart of nehari.
Nehari is done. Now transfer in a dish.
Garnish with coriander leaves, julienne cut, ginger, it is the time to taste. The taste is extremely delicious. Please do try and enjoy it with your family and friends. Put your valuable comments in my comment box. Your comments always inspire me. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for being with me and watching my YouTube channel Health is Beauty.